What up, guys? Got another video back for you. This one's going to be about the spreadsheet that I made for some nodes. And I've got Thor, Power, Vapor, and UNIV. And this is all in beta. I just put some of this together for me, and I thought it might be helpful for other people out there. So basically what it does is you can just sum up all of your monthly and daily totals. Pretty much what it does. So let's take a look at it. When I open this up, you can see I've got Thor, Power, Vapor, and UNIV. All right, these are the only four that I hold. That's the only ones I have on here. I don't plan on adding any more anytime soon. If I go through the Thor tab, and each tab after it, you can see I've got some nice little colors. I've even got the CoinGecko method to pull what the pricing is, and yeah. So let's run through a couple of these, and we'll see how this works. Pretty much all you got to do is add your nodes in. Now I've only got 4 in here. I know some people probably have more, some people have less, but I'm just going to show you with 4, and then you could probably go through here and copy and duplicate the row, and then like pull the formulas and stuff down if you're that advanced. But first, let's start with the Thor one. So I've got a couple nodes. Let's see. So I'm going to pick. I got a Thor node, so I'm going to put Thor. And that pulls that nice little icon there. And then I'm going to name it. Mine is called Thor 01. I really wish I would have named it something else. Let's just pretend I did. So let's just say I named it the Tommy node. All right. The Thor price at purchase. I tried to word these things to where you would know what to put in. By the way, only the white areas can you edit. So yeah, remember that. So let's say I paid 130 at time of purchase. What that will do is it takes into account how many Thors you get with the purchase, and then how much it costs you in a dollar value, and then your monthly earnings, your daily earnings, and then your ROI. So this, like I said, this is the best that I knew of how to come up with something. I'm working on an app that will be able to take this information and hopefully consolidate it and make it look a lot nicer. But this doesn't take into account like compounding or anything. This is just strictly, hey, I'm buying a Thor node. It's cost this much. How much will that cost me? Hey, how much will I get per month on the current prices? There it is. How much can I make daily? There it is. And then how long will it take me to make my money back? And then if you add another one, so let's say we got a Heimdall here, and I'm going to call this one Heine Heimdall, and I also, let's say, paid 110. All right. So then it's going to say, okay, it cost you $137.50. And then here's how much you'll get monthly, here's your daily, and here's your ROI. Woo! And then it adds up everything right here. Now, if I go back to the All Nodes tab, you'll see I've got Tommy and Heine here. So we've got monthly, daily, and then this is for all the nodes all together. So we look at this as $313.84. If we go to Thor, we can see $313.84. All right, so then let's say I'm getting a little spunky and I want to add a power node. Well, I've got a human. All right, what am I going to name my human? It's just going to be John, because that's every human, John. All right, and then it was $30, let's say. So okay, I got to buy 10 power, so that cost me $300. Okay, here's how much I make per month, per day. Here you go, you get the point. All right, so now if I go back to all nodes, we've got John, we've got the monthly, we've got the daily, and this is the total for all of them. And then I want to get the Vapor, and I'm going to say this is well, first we're going to pick the diamond hands level. So if it's at level 0, it's brand new, Cole. And then I'm going to say level 1, and my name is Vector. And then when I bought it, let's just say 0.07, I guess. And then this one's a little bit different because you have to have a node size, so it's not predetermined like Thor or Power. So my initial node size, let's say it was 15,000, because that's what it used to be. That's how much it costs, daily, monthly, ROI, and there's that. And then now let's say we have a level 2 diamond hands, and this is going to be Vominos. I don't even think that's how you spell it, but and then this was, we're going to say 0.05. The node size is 1,000, and there we go. So lays all that out. See all nodes. There we go. We got Vector and Vominos, all of our total, and UNIV. So the only thing different about UNIV, I don't have a picture for Mercury and Mars. I got Earth and Neptune, but I couldn't find a picture for the other one. So Let's just say Neptune because that's one I have, and we're gonna call this, I don't know, Nanny Neptune, and then UNIV price was 0.000. Let's say 28. Okay, it's kind of realistic. And same as the vapor, the node size. I'd say I put 100,000 in. Okay, so it's 28 bucks. That's how much daily, how much monthly, and okay, something's wrong with that. Look, find errors. I'm gonna fix this while I'm on this too. So it's if error, let's see, divide expects number, but UNIV is a text. It cannot be coerced to a number. So E4, E3, E3 divided by H3. Haha, it should be H4, right? Okay, so I'll get this taken care of, but it looks like that's supposed to be down lower because I have a hidden cell, but I don't think we need that on UNIV. Must have been when I pulled it over from the other one. So I know you don't want to sit here and watch me try to fix this, although I don't think I need this anyway, so we'll just delete the row. Oh, I done messed something up. Okay. Anyway, so hide this. So I'll fix this, and you can use the link to make a copy. And if you have any thoughts, add a comment. But I just thought this might be helpful for some people, and I really hope that you can use this. I'm working on the other one, like I mentioned, and hopefully that will have compounding and some other stuff in it as well, because I got some tips from the Vapor Discord community on some compounding strategies. So pretty cool. Anyway, all right. Well, that is going to be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.